Hello everyone and welcome back to Great Gain. I am Arhan and it's been a while since I last posted, but I'm super excited to be back with you all. Today we'll be doing some grammar exercises. So grab your notebooks, stay focused and let's get started. Remember every small effort counts and this is your time to shine. Let's make this last few days before the exam count. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this helpful. And drop a comment below if you have any specific topics you'd like me to cover before your exams. All right, let's jump right in. So, the first question we have in front of our screen is Mega is too tall to crawl under the table. We have to begin with Mega is so. So, just pause the video and you write the correct answer, and then you can match with my answer. So, the answer will be Mega is so tall that she cannot crawl under the table. Option A, that is. Okay. So, let's move on to the next question. We have the second question. As soon as her song was over, I knew that she had won the competition. We have to use no sooner. So the answer will be option A. No sooner did her song get over than I knew that she had won the competition. Let's move on to question number 3. Study hard now or you will regret it. We have to begin with unless. So the answer will be option C. Unless you study hard now, comma, you will regret it. Question number 4. Arjun was a better speaker than his brother. We have to begin with his brother. So the answer will be option A. His brother was not as good a speaker as Arjun. Let's move on to the next question. Number 5. Has Alia written to you? We have to begin with have you. So the answer will be option B. Have you heard from Alia? Let's move on to question number 6. The teacher scolded him for coming late. We have to begin with he. So the answer will be option A. He was scolded by the teacher for coming late. So let's mark all the answers now. Option A, no sooner. Option A. The 3 will be option C. 4 will be option A. 5 will be option B. And 6 will be option A. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Will you lend me the book tomorrow? Priya asked her classmate. Begin with Priya asked her classmate if. So here the answer will be option A. Priya asked her classmate if she would lend her the book the next day. Okay, tomorrow will get changed to the next day. Option number A, 7A. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. This apple is bigger than any other that I have ever seen. Question number 8. We have to begin with I have never. We have the options as option A, I have never seen an apple as big as this. Option B, I have never seen an apple bigger than this. And option C, the answers will be both A and B. So here the answer will be option C. That is both A and B. Both the answers will be correct. Let's move on to the next question. The young people like his songs. Begin with his songs are popular. So here the answer will be option C. His songs are popular among the young people. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 10. The captain did not allow Sushil to play in the match. We have to begin with the captain prevented. Okay, so here the answer will be option B. The captain prevented Sushil from playing in the match. Here option B, and this one will be option C. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. Okay, so as he had no parents to, it will be option number A. Sorry, option number B. It will be option number B. As he had no parents to teach him. Ari, the option will be option B. Became. Ari became convinced that he was not a bird at all and dashed to fly. So it will be option number A, refuse to fly. Okay. If he dash to get on a table or a chair. Okay. So moving to 4, we have it will be option number A, wanted. Okay. Wanted. If he wanted to get on a table or a chair, he dash below it cooling until someone dash him up. Okay, so 5 and 6 will be he stood, he stood. Okay, 5 will be stood and 6 will be option number A, picked. So he stood below it cooling until someone picked him up. Okay, so 7 will be he dash even try to come on walks with us. This, however, we had to dash. Okay, so 7 and 8 will be would and stop. That is option number B, would, and for 8 it will be option number B, stop. Okay, so let's just mark all the answers. First one will be option B, teach. Second one will be option number B, again, became. Third one will be option number A, refused. Fourth one will be option number A, again, wanted. Fifth one will be option number B, stood. Option number, that is sixth one will be option number A, picked. Seventh one will be option number B, would. And the last one will be option number B, stop. So there you go. Now we'll move on to fill in the blanks with a word which is appropriate. So the first question we have, what prevented Rita dash coming here? So we have option A, from, option B, to, option C, off. So the correct answer will be from. What prevented Rita from coming here? The next question, Geeta excels in Carnatic music. Option number B, in Carnatic music. Question number 3, they charge the man dash murder. They charge the man with murder. Option number A, with. Let's move on to the last two questions. Ravi provided the poor dash food and clothing. So the answer will be option number C, with. Ravi provided the poor with food and clothing. Last but not least, Mary dreamt of skying the dash the Alps. So it will be down. It will be option A, down. Mary dreamt of skying down the Alps. Thank you, students, for joining with us in this video. We'll see you soon. Till then, keep studying, keep rocking.